Oh my god, my cheeks are so chubby. It's not even funny. Rona, what are you doing?
September we met.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. I know I've been lost, but now I'm found. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own mask at home using two things that you might have: socks and a bandana. Stay tuned for the video and I hope you like it. So you take the socks. These are just regular size socks. You can take babies, whatever. So we're gonna cut it into like basically half. Yeah, gonna split it. Oh my god, this scissor is so okay. So I've cut it into half. So now this, then I'm going to put it into another half, like this, half. Then I'm gonna, after I cut it into half, then I'm just gonna cut over here, like a random spot. Not all the way down, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna open up and then cut. Just a little bit. Cut here if you want. Take it away. And then I'm gonna cut. So then you can put it on like this or like that, whichever way, but I prefer putting it on like this. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope to see you on my next video. Toodles!